Let's see if I can get you from turning your head.
Hi. How are we doing?
Have you got the hiccups?
I got the hiccups.
He had hiccups. Let me see. Have you got the hiccups?
Just checking things out.
He goes, it's a different view from here.
Uh-huh. So I just fumigated the entire room.
Yeah,
The
he said.
ladies were making fun of me.
He said, yeah.
You look so big. Hi, buddy. You say hi, Nora. Say hi, sister. I love you being so close to me. Oh, she waved at you. She says hi. What's up?
She goes, and I've got mommy and you don't.
Mm-hmm. Where is my stinking dad? Where is he? Supposed to be rocking me. Goodness gracious. I'm going to eat my thumb.
Yeah,
I'm going to
you
eat
want
my
to put it?
thumb. I'm going to eat something.
I know one of them was with their thumb